What is going on YouTube? Is Huncho back with another video. Today we're actually going to make a quick review video on the Move Max mount. As you can see, my girlfriend actually came clutch and actually got it us for Valentine's Day, so going to be putting it to use finally. Going to have some great rollers, some great POV content, everything like that. And honestly, she went with the best brand, which I could really much thank her for. But going to do a nice review video on how it works, how to set it up and everything as well. But first things first, we're going to get this car washed because it's complete dirty, full of pollen and everything. So let's get this nice car all cleaned up. We're at the self-wash right now. As you can see, so much pollen, everything like that. Yep, gonna get it washed. This bay debit card is not machine, so we're gonna move over to the next one. Just gonna start moving it to the next bay. Alright, let's get it with the high pressure rinse first. Alrighty, so now since we have the car all cleaned up and all dried up, now I'm going to be showing you how to install the mount. Very super easy. I'm going to have my girlfriend hold the camera while I set that up. Let me remove that leaf right there. A little stuck. Alright, so now it's all good. But let me show you guys how to install the mount. I'm going to pass the camera over to my girlfriend. I will be installing the mount right down here. almost as like a tire profile view, so you get to have a look how it's gonna see. So yeah, I'll be right back. So first things first, you want to mount it up to where you want to have it. Last time or yesterday I had it right here. I think right here would be the best spot. So you're gonna hold it and you're gonna keep pushing this up to catch air in it, and you're gonna keep doing it until the red line goes away. So you can see the red line is there no more. Next, this will control the arms now. Now how high I want it, how low. I'm gonna be keeping it right here, the highest as possible. So I'm gonna keep it right there is tight. Now the last one left is just this one. This one was gonna have the same thing like this on this side. I'm gonna just mount it up. Just try to keep it on. Just loosen this one up a little bit. This part. Now this part tight right here. Now it allows you to have the camera jumping up and down. Alrighty, so I switched over to my iPhone so you can have an idea of how it's gonna sit. So like I said, after making a few adjustments, all you need to do is adjust this lever right here. And when you pump this up, make sure the red line, it has a red line, so just make sure it's above. As you can see, those are instructions, attention, just make sure so it's on there tight. And like I said, this has the gimbal of the springs and everything. So any bumps or anything like that, not sure if you guys can see the screen, but it's recording the profile view. And with my iPad, I will be able to control it through the app to connect. It's super easy. So that's how the mount sits. Super clean, super beneficial, honestly, for rollers for you and your boys, or any car events or anything like that. As well as you can even mount it on the window. I had it up there. You can mount it on the roof, on the back, you know, any preference wise. But I love it. It's one of the best gifts I got. So let me show you guys how to use it. Alrighty, so we're in the car right now. Like I said, I have my iPad. You have the DJI app connected. All you want to do is just click join. It's going to be connecting right now. And if you guys can see, the mountains over there in my rear view mirror. Right now it's just connecting as we speak. So right now it's connected. So now you want to click this camera button. It's going to be enabled outside. Now it's super easy to use. You could change all these different settings, everything like that. To zoom into the way you want it, you'll create that box. And as you can see, it will guide itself to look at that certain way. So let's say I want it like right here, a little bit to the side. Now, all I gotta do is just click record. Now it's recording. Now it has the mic outside. Still waiting on to receive my mic so you can have an idea. But looks super, super clean. I love it. Super stable. Usually I just have my girlfriend hold on to it, and I'll tell her when to record, when not to stop and everything. But super easy. So I'll catch you guys on the outside POV so you have an idea. So as you can see, it's super easy with controlling it through the app. Makes it fairly easy to move the camera and everything like that. Like I said, the gimbal's on there really sturdy. It's super tight. I've honestly been flying with it, been testing over bumps just to make sure it stays there, and it's doing really good. Especially with the spring enabling it like to stabilize. It's super, super great, and I love it. Yeah, super easy. As you can see the car. But yeah, just right now, just cruising with it, testing as well. And I'll give you guys some more POVs. Alrighty, now, so I have it on the back window. And as you can see, the mount is up there. Just allows you to have an idea of how good the rollers could come out with your buddies in the back and everything. So I'll include some footage of how it'll look taking rollers of random people. So I'll send it over right now and I'll put it in the YouTube video. on YouTube, so it's Huncho back. As you can see, it was a good video, good days today. We showed you how to use the Move Max and got a lot of rollers, got a lot of clips. Shout out to my boy Jalen for coming out with me. That's his 335, the hybrid turbo one on the pure 750. He actually got all the fueling done now, so as a matter of fact, we were just dialing it in, just getting a couple locks to send it over to his tuner. But overall, yeah, I'm glad the rollers came out super clean. I checked that out on the iPad, so let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to keep seeing. Do want to say thank you. We just surpassed 200. I believe we're at like 226 or like almost 230 subscribers, which is crazy. And also one of my videos also passed up 3,000 views. So I do want to say thank you for the support. More videos on the way, more content, more mods. I know there's not a lot of 330 content creators, and I understand that people think it's a waste of money, waste of time, but honestly, I love the 330 platform, and I'm glad to share my experience with you guys. So overall, I do want to say thank you for watching. Continue to like, subscribe, comment. I'm always responding back to everyone's comment, no matter negative or positive. But yeah, thank you, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.